Your question is find work done and torque acting on a bar. Work done and torque. A bar magnet is placed. A bar magnet having magnetic dipole moment 2.4 into 10 raised power minus 5 ampere meter square is placed in the direction of field. Is placed in the direction of field. ठीक है, I rotated from this position to 60 degree. ठीक है, strength of magnetic field is 0.15 Tesla. ठीक है, तो what is your question? Your question is a bar magnet is placed parallel to the field. Parallel to the field means theta 1 is 0. Angle between direction of field and moment direction of magnetic moment is 0. So theta 1 is 0. So write theta 1 0. Now it is rotated through angle 60 degree. It rotated through angle 60 degree. So theta 2 becomes 60 degree. Field strength is 0.15 Tesla. So in this process, what is work done by you? What is the work done by you? You have to calculate. And magnitude of torque which is required to maintain the bar magnet in this position. The work done W is equal to MB cos of theta 1 minus cos of theta. We have derived work done in rotating bar magnet from position theta 1 to theta 2. So write value W is equal to M. Value of M is 2.4 into 10 raised power negative 5. Value of field is 0.15 into cos of theta 1. Cos theta 1, cos of 0 minus cos of theta 2, cos of 60, cos of 60. Now solve this. So 15 4 the 60, 15 to the 30 or 6 36. How many digit of the decimal? 1 2 3. So 1 2 3 into 10 raised power minus 5 into cos 0 is 1, so write here 1, cos 60 is half, so write half. 0.13, shift decimal towards right, 1 place 1 digit toward right. When you shift decimal 1 place toward right, then power subtracted by 1. So 3.6 into 10 raised power minus 5 minus into 1 minus 1 by 2, 2 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So 3.6 into 10 raised power negative 5, minus 5 into minus 1 minus 6 into 1 by 2. So this becomes 1.8 into 10 raised power negative 6 joule. So this is the work done in rotating dipole from position 0 degree to position 60 degree. Now we have to find torque needed to maintain bar magnet in this position. So tau is equal to torque acting on the magnetic dipole having magnetic moment M and field strength B at angle theta. Tau is equal to MB sin theta. Tau is equal to MB sin theta. So write value. Here theta is, your theta is theta 2. So write here theta 2. M is by theta 2. Theta 2 is the angle made by the magnetic dipole, axis of the magnetic dipole from the direction of magnetic field. Okay. M, your M is 2.4 into 10 raised to negative 5. Feed is, your feed is 0.15. So write here 0.15 into sine of 60. Write here sine of 60. So 2.4 into 15 we have determined here 3.6 into 10 raised to negative 6. So write here 3.6 into 10 raised to negative 6 into sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So write here root 3 by 2. Now simplify. So 2 1 ja 2 8 ja 60. So 1.8 into root 3. 1.8 into root 3 into 10 raised to minus 6 Newton meter. Okay. तो 1.8 into 1.732 into 10 raised to minus 6 Newton meter. Multiply 18 2 जा 36, 18 3 जा 54 और 357, 18 7 जा 126 और 126 and 5. 126 and 5. 131, 18 1 is 18 and 31. So right here 31. So how many digits after decimal? 1 2 3 4. So place decimal after 4 digits from right. 1 2 3 4 into 10 raised to minus 6 into 10 raised to minus 6. So this is your answer. 3.1176 into 10 raised to minus 6 Newton meter. Unit of torque is Newton meter. Unit of torque is Newton meter. Okay. Right.